Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print from Google Docs step by step. Whether you need a hard copy for school, work, or personal use, Google Docs makes printing documents quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open Google Docs and open the document you want to print. Before printing, take a moment to review your document and make sure everything looks the way you want. You can adjust the formatting, margins, fonts, or spacing if necessary. Once you're ready, click File in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Print. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. Google Docs will open the Print Settings window. Here, you'll see a preview of how your document will look when printed. On the left side, select the printer you want to use. If your printer is already connected to your computer, it should appear in the list. Next, choose the number of copies you want to print. You can also select whether to print all pages or specify a custom page range. If needed, adjust additional settings such as paper size, orientation, color options, and margins. Take another look at the print preview to make sure everything appears correctly. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click the Print button. Your document will now be sent to the selected printer. If you don't have access to a printer right now, you can also choose Save as PDF from the printer list to save a digital copy of your document. And that's it! You've successfully printed a document from Google Docs. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.